Hi game devs, here is JNM with the next Unity video on how to invoke a UI button click on pressing a key. I will show this here for the inventory buttons of the low poly game kit. Currently you can click them and then the item is selected, but I want to select them by pressing the keys 1 to 9. But that's not all, I also want to fake this button press effect when a key is pressed. So let's select the button of the inventory and open the attached item click handler C# script. It contains an onItemClicked method that is called when the button is clicked, and here the attached item is retrieved, and if it is not null it is used by the player. What I want to do now is to kind of click this button by pressing a key. So I will need a public keycode variable that we are going to assign in the editor and a private reference to the UI button. In the awake method I get the button component and assign it to the private variable. And in the update method I check if this key that we are going to configure later on is in down or up state, and if it is pressed down we can invoke the button click. Okay, this was the easy part. But we also want to fade to the pressed color of the button when it is pressed down, and we want to return to the normal color when the key is released. So I will write a fade to color method here for the button, in which I get the graphic component that has a method called crossFadeColor to interpolate to the color that we passed as parameter. And I call this method when the key is pressed down, and as a parameter I use the pressed color of the button. And when the key is in up state, I again call this method, but now I use the normal color as a parameter. Okay, and now I assign the keys to the different buttons. For the first button I use alpha 1, for the second button I use alpha 2, and so on and so forth, and then we can start the game and test it. Alright, here we go. First I collect the X, and then I press the 1 key, and it is selected. You can also see the pressed color here at the border, so it looks like I selected it with the mouse. And now the items you got in your inventory can be switched easily by pressing the particular key. Okay guys, that's a nice and reusable method for clicking buttons with a key press in Unity. I really hope you like it, and if you like this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Perhaps you also consider supporting me on my Patreon, this would really help this channel grow. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support, and see you soon here on JNM.